Siku nyingine mimi nitakuja nitawafunza, si ndio?
Yes.
We have moved around. For me, I've been in this county of Laikipia, and I'm impressed by the statistics. As of now, most of the schools have recorded over 90%. In fact, a number of schools have reported 100%, and others are even having beyond 100% because they are new entrants, and that is quite encouraging. However, we also noted that there are a few cases of the students who dropped out and who cannot be traced. And when we try to find out, we have learned that most of those are the ones who are mainly just gotten into adulthood. Some of them 18, some of them 19, and we informed either they got into business, they are doing motorcycles, others have relocated. But we are making all the effort through our multi agencies to ensure that each and every learner who was in school in March comes back to school and finishes his studies as it had been planned. There are few, but they are extremely few and isolated cases. And for those who are, for instance, the ones who have migrated to other places because of the nomadic way of life, we are in total coordination as with the government. For instance, we have informed some have moved to Samburu, others have moved to Baringo. Therefore, we are liaising with the local administration in those two counties so that we can trace them and return the boys back to school.
Nasema kwamba wazazi tumeongea nao na chiefs wameongea na wazazi na assistant chiefs wote, na wamekubaliana kwamba hao vijana wakipona watarudi na wataendelea na masomo yao. Na kwa wasichana ni wachache pia ambao wamepata mimba. Nao tunaweza sema it's also around the same percentage of about 1.5% ama 1.5. Nao tumeongea na wazazi na wasichana, most of them are serious to come back to school. Kama jana Ndurumo girls tuliongea na msasi mmoja alikuja when we were doing our visit, na akasema kwamba yeye alikuwa form 4 na hakuwa ameregister mtihani wake, na amekubali kwamba amepata mtoto sasa, amerudi shule, ataanzia form 3 because haku manage to register, so she has come back and she is in form 3.